Hey YouTube, welcome back. Happy Saturday, guys. Today I'm going to show you guys the unboxing for this out air lightning LEDs. This is the 35.5 centimeter or 14 inch or 14 pole decorative energy saving LED flash mount. This one is a brushed nickel finish with the white acrylic lens. Uses only 21 watts instead of 120 watts. There's no light bulbs to replace, and it is dimmable. This is instant on at full brightness. So the symbol dimension is 35.56 centimeter or 14 inch. And then the thickness is about 8.89 centimeter or 3.5 inch. And this one is Energy Star. The model is AL3162. This is UL listed. This is the barcode number, made in China. Quantity is 1 piece. And it is recommended dimmers with the 10 to 100% dimmable range. And this is the item number 709620. Here are some spec. This is a 3000K soft white light. %% looms, maintenance over 50,000 hours. So it's gonna last you a very, very long time before you change it. Or if the LED bulbs finally goes bad or something. So minimum starting temperature is 0 degree Fahrenheit or negative 17 degrees Celsius. And it offers 5 years limited warranty. And these are the lightning facts. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. So there is the chart for the warm light from the range from 2700K to up to 6500K. Okay. So like a white color will be like 4000K. So this is a little bit more to the yellows color or warm white. So let's go ahead and get this started. In case needed to contact them, here's a 1-800 number 774-2678. Okay, I got this at the Costco. The first one I got was about $24.99. So let me give you the tips real quick. If you buy anything from Costco, you want to save your original receipt. So since I got this one, it's on sale for $19.99, and I bought an extra one so I could return the item back with my original receipt. Okay, Good thing about Costco, they allow you to either return it with your original receipt, but there are some like a certain electronic. If you buy like a notebook or computers or any electronic stuff over there, I think they only have a 90-day return policy. So let's see. But fixture like this, I don't think there's a limitation. Oh my god, I got stuck. So come with this super dry. Got 2 of those. In case you need to put this in your closet, make your clothes dry. So make sure your children doesn't get to it. It's very dangerous. If in case they swallow it or open it up. Okay. So they come with this instruction, okay, for the light. They come with the wire nuts, mounting screws, and these are the tools that require for you to install, which is not included. You need a Phillips screwdriver, number 2, wire cutter, wire stripper, ladder, electrical tape, and safety goggle glasses. So here are the nuts and then the cover. So be sure you want to look at this in the middle right here. Somehow my fixture is wider. It was hollow in the middle section, by the way. That's how the builder built the house or put in the light fixture. So I had to drill 2 more holes on the outer layer instead of in the middle section. So to take out the cover, you need to rotate it counter clockwise. And this is just an acrylic cover, plastic, not glass. So those are the LEDs. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have 8 of those in one of the plate. That is a plate right here. It is screwed down with the 5 Phillips screws. Okay, and you got 3 of those. So 3 times 8, you got 24 LEDs altogether. So even though the LEDs are very small, it is pretty bright when you turn it on. And this is the AC to DC converter. You got the 120 volt or 110 from your electricity outlet. You convert to 24 to 33 volt DC and at a 600 milliamp. Output, it says 20 watts. So I'm not sure why it says 21 watts on the box. So there is your positive and negative. So I'm not sure how come the negative they put a yellow instead of black wire. So I guess it doesn't matter. So it has a very nice nickel finish right here. It is pretty shiny. So I add this to my master bath, and it works pretty well. So that's why I went back. Well, lucky it was on sale. Originally I was planning to buy 2 more, so I end up saying like $15 for all 3. So because I don't know when is the other 2 restroom the light bulb is gonna go out, so I just go back there and then buy some more. It'll be cheaper to buy the whole set compared to change the light bulb. The light bulb, it cost me about $10 already. So might as well you get to have a nice fixture, plus this one is save electricity. All right. Anyway, this is my unboxing for this and kind of review for you guys to check it out. Please, hopefully you guys like the video and give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you guys are new, and be sure to turn on the bell for notification so whenever I upload new and latest video, and you can check them out. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Like always, peace out, guys.